Okay, Ron Urban again here with Peak Floors. Continuing on in the process, we basically have everything drum sanded and we have everything edged. The next step is we want to palm sand. As you notice, we have a halogen light, and that is so that we can see swirl marks that is left by the edger. Now, grit pattern is important when you're sanding. Typically, sandpaper for sanding floor starts at 24 grit, then it'll go to 36, then 40, 50, 60, 80, 100, and then 120 in certain circumstances. Typically, you're going to start at a 60 grit, I would say, and then end up at 100 or 120. The main thing with your grit pattern is you do not want to skip more than one grit. So if you start at a 36, you don't want to go to an 80 per se. So we ended with a 100 grit. Now what I'm going to show you is, because the edger spins in a circular motion, it leaves a pattern of a circle. So it leaves swirl marks. We want to get those swirl marks out. How do you do that? We have to do it with a palm sander. Again, just around the perimeter. The drum machine goes in this direction, it goes forward, it's going with the grain. Because the edger, wherever it is, because the edger goes in a circular motion, it's going to leave swirl marks. So we're going to show you these swirl marks here in the floor. As you can see them right here, where my finger is. Okay, we want to get those out. So I'm going to show you the process of palm sanding, and then we'll show you that those swirl marks come out. Again, ear muffs are vacuum that will turn on automatically once we start the sander. Okay, now we finished edging with a 100 grit, therefore we have a 100 grit sandpaper on the palm sander. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and show you. Those circles are gone, those swirl marks are no longer there. And now that is ready for the last stage, which is going to blend all of that, and we'll show you that next. Thank you.